Aloha and Merry Christmas! Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the really easy North Pole donut shop prop scene. It is printable and all you need is some tape or some glue of some sort and a pair of scissors. The link in the description will take you to the printable template so that you can print these off. I recommend printing on cardstock, but you can use regular paper too. Here's what the 2 pages look like. I have different kits, so some might have some of these items, some might have more, some might have less, but this will basically show you how I assemble it all. You can use the included donut little printables that I have, or you can use something like Fruit Loops or Cheerios too. This is the donut box. You will see a gray dashed line. There's 4 of them right on the sides of the box. You want to make a slit right across the dashed line, right up to the green line. After you do that, we're going to work on just making a bunch of folds so that we create creases along all of these lines. We're going to do that just like this, really quick and easy, making sure that we did it right across the line that's on the front. And we're going to go and do this with all of the lines on this box. Now that we've made all these creases in our box, we're going to go ahead and get ready to assemble it. Grab some glue. I prefer hot glue because it's what makes it easiest to do. Or you can use glue stick, a tub, a little thing of glue, or some tape. You're just going to fold those little tabs and make sure that the little tiny tabs are on the inside of the bottom part of your donut box. Then you're just going to glue it in place on all 4 of those little tabs. Now the little donut box is completed. It will fit 12 Fruit Loop size little cereals or some Cheerios. It also has some included printable templates that have donuts on them already if you don't have anything else on hand. The donut scene prop for the hat is super easy. Just measure it around your elf's head. I gave it a little extra length just in case you have a different sized elf. You can just trim it down or tear it, and then you glue or tape it together around the circumference of his head. Fits right over the hat, super simple and easy. The donut bag for the elf, it assembles quite similarly to the donut box. You're just going to make creases where you're going to see all these lines here that are gray and dashed, and across all of the tabs, 1 on the side and 4 across the bottom. Just make all your folds at the lines on the donut bag. Starting at the side of your bag, you're going to place a little bit of glue or tape so that you can put this tab on the inside of the bag and assemble it together like this. Next, you're just gonna fold in the sides of your bag so it creates that nice crease if you want it. And then you go down to the bottom, fold in your tabs and tape or glue that down. Now you are completely done with the assembly part. This is a really quick and easy DIY elf prop scene. Some of the kits come with more, some come with less, like I said, and use any kind of things you want to inside of the little packages. This prop scene is really cute if you have a local donut shop that you can get some treats from to set out with this scene. And like I said before, some of the kits that I offer with these printables will come with all of these. Some are already printed to go along with elf kits like this that I create for the Christmas seasons to ship out. But this is also available to print, so you can do it yourself at home. I have a ton of different elf prop scenes and setups and kits and things of that nature over on my Etsy shop. So please go ahead and check that out at aloha-y'all-customs.etsy.com. And thank you so much. Mahalo.